Hello, friends. I welcome you all to our amazing platform of Vision India Class 6 to 12. So, in today's video, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss Class 7 Math Chapter number 1 in teaser. So, this video is an introduction video. The exercise video will be uploaded soon on the highway. But this video is called as introduction video. Understand? So what do you mean by integer? What do you mean by integer? The word integer suggests what do you mean by integer? The word integer suggests that a number that start with a negative number, a number that start with a negative number and goes to infinity. Do you understand what do you mean by infinity? Means everywhere, nowhere to stop. It's called as infinity. The sign of infinity is like this. So from negative infinity to the positive infinity. From negative infinity to the positive infinity. You have learned that some of the numbers that are whole number, some of them are real number. But what do you mean by even number? Do you understand? Yes, obviously you understand that in the lower classes you have learned about even numbers and odd number. So when even number and odd number together form real number. Real number starts from 1. Where did real number start? It starts from 1 and it goes to everywhere, goes to the last number. Understand? Okay. So this type of number are called as real number. What type of number these are called as? These are called as real number. Real number consists of even number and odd number. Which type of number does it contain? Even number and odd number. What do you mean by odd number? Obviously, you say that the number which are not divisible by the number which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd number. So I understand that. Okay, now I know about even number and odd number. Now say about what do you mean by real number? Real, you say that I say to you that real number is even number and odd number are called real number. So I say I also understand about even number, odd number. They make real number. But what about natural number? You say that the number that start with 0 is called as natural number. Okay, I understand about natural number. The number that start with 0 is called as natural number. And what do you mean by integers? The word integer means the word integer means it means the number with a negative number. Okay, so these are the important terms you have to learn about. So let's take it pen to understand. Okay, so you have learned about these three type of number. There are many type of number accordingly to them. Like from the real even number to the real number. Real number, what do you mean by real number? It consists of even number and odd number. So here we understand. And what do we mean by natural number? It contains zero. And what do we mean by integer? It contains negative numbers. It's called as integer. So you understand the basic. So let's go to the next slide. Okay. So this is the explaining slide. I will give you some questions accordingly. So you have learned that some of the number are negatively, while some of the number are positive. Do you know which number lie in between of two of them? Yes, you are right. The number is zero. Okay, so zero is the center of all negative and positive number. And we can say that zero is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. Understand? Nor negative. Okay, do you understand? So let's give a short review of this. So now we are learning about many of them things like zero is neither negative nor positive. So the smaller number of the smaller even number is called as obviously the smaller even number is 2 and the smaller odd number is called as 1. Understand? The smallest negative integer. So you say that the smallest integer is this is tricky question. You say that we don't know the smallest, so that it is negatively or any number with negative sign. You can say that 100. If you add one more time, so it will become 101. It is also negative number. So we understand about this. So let's get some example to understand it more clearly. So if a person have rupee 500, person have rupee 500 and spend its rupee of 600. If a person earn 500 rupee and spend 600 rupee, so what do you mean about it? So what is the answer? So what is the total money left? Mm, So you see that many of the students are not able to answer this. So I will explain to them. So let's see. If a person earn 500 rupee and spend 600 rupee, so the money left is negative. because the spend is higher and the earn is lower. If spend is higher and earn is lower, so it is called as what does it called? It form a negative. Means if earning is lower and expenditure is higher, so it form a negative. So the answer for this question is negative 100. Understand? So we have learned about it. So let's continue. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. And now many computers are connected with one network. So it's type of an error that many recording are happening. So some recording slides come to our recording slide goes to there. So it is an error. So let's continue. So now learn about integers on number line. What do we mean by integers on number line? So we have learned that some of them are integer, but many of them they are on the number line. So it is easy to learn them on the number line. Number line. What do you mean by number line? Many of the people learn, but some people do not remember. So I will recall to them. Please pay attention. A number line is a line that represents numbers on a line. What does a number line mean? A number line is a line that represents number on it. It not matter the number may negative or it is positive. It does not matter. So let's learn about the some of them called as negative. As you can see there are some of the number with negatively while some other are positively charged. If any person asks you to plot negative 2 on the number, so you plot them like negative 2. You will mark it with special color and say them that this is the negatively 2 on number line. So in this number line we can represent that we can easily clearly see that 0 is the center of all negative and positive. As you can see, 0 is neither greater nor smaller. Understand? So here there are many of the positively number and this side the number are negatively and this side the number positive they do not have negative sign because they are positive. They already have signs. So you have learned about number line and how to plot them on number lines. You also learned about teasers and many other. So the if you want a PDF, the PDF will be provided in the description box. So you have learned about even number, odd number, real number, natural number, and integers. So I will recall them. Even number divisible by 2. Odd number do not divisible by 2. Real number the number that contains even number and odd number. Natural number the number that contains 0 and real number. Integer the number that contains negative numbers and natural number. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. 2 is the smallest number. Pos even number and 1 is the smallest odd number. Negative is the smallest integer. So we have also learned about integers on number line. So subscribe subscribe to our amazing channel Vision India Class 6 to 12. So I if you subscribe, then the latest video will be uploaded soon. And click on bell icon that you cannot miss any update of this channel. And like this video if your one like motivated us to make more videos. So click on like button, click on subscribe button and share this video to your friend. As you know that knowledge increased by sharing. So share this video to your friends so that they also learn something new from this video. So thank you.